There are a few major differences between APA and MLA citations that you need to be aware of, and you just want to make sure that you're following whichever citation style your professor suggested, or if you were given free reign to choose your citation style, that you are being consistent throughout your paper. So for APA, one of the first major differences is that you never write out the full first name. You only use initials for the first and middle name of an author. So in this case, you see Stoneman, comma, R for the author's name. The second difference is that the year of publication is going to be the second part of your citation, both for books and for articles, as you can see here. So for the case of books, that's this first citation I have here. You have the author's last name, their initials, then in parentheses, the year of publication, title, publisher name, DOI if it's available. For the articles, it is the author, year in parentheses, title of article, title of periodical, volume number, issue number, pages, DOI if available. The second major difference that you will see here is with the title. While in MLA, you will capitalize every major word of the title, in APA, you will only capitalize the first word of the title, or the first word of the title and the first word of the subtitle, unless it is a proper noun. If it's a proper noun, such as a name or a location, you want to make sure that you are still capitalizing those correctly. Then one of the major notes for here, while MLA has a certain rule for how to write out multiple authors' names, APA follows a different rule. So for the first 2 through 19 authors, you want to list each author by last name and first initial. Each author should be separated by a comma, and the last author should be preceded by an ampersand. You don't ever spell out and, the AND, when you are writing your citations in APA. So for example, over here, you will have author, comma, initial, comma, author, comma, initial, comma, ampersand, author, comma, initial, period. For more than 19 authors, you want to check OWL Purdue on how to list this. I don't think you guys are ever going to see a situation where you have more than 19 authors, but if that happens, make sure that you are checking the OWL Purdue on how to do this. You also want to make sure you're reading that on how to do in-text citations as well, because it's slightly different between the in-text citations and the Works Cited page.